Hello guys and welcome. Today we are going to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 10 with PIP package installer, that is. So I assume you have installed latest version of Python in your system, that is version 3, not version 2. So let's go ahead and install it. After installing Python, open cmd command prompt. After opening command prompt, change the directory, that is cd. After changing the directory to C drive, open where you have installed Python, that is in here, C drive, app data, local programs, Python, open scripts, copy, control C, the script directory, and paste it in here. Press enter. After entering, type dir for directory. You will see a file called pip3.exe. Now type pip3, install Jupyter, install Jupyter, press enter. After pressing enter, it should install Jupyter Notebook. Now go back to our original Python directory, type Jupyter Notebook, and press enter. It will open up Jupyter Notebook. Voila!